boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Give It Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday, guys, for you. It's Wednesday, so that means you wish for songs. You know the deal. I bring up for you. All you have to do is just to leave a comment for your favorite song you want to learn, maybe to perform for your love, or just know and play for our best friends and impressing people, anything, whatever. I can help you there. So let's go into it. And we have you, Keshaft, Keshaviti. I'm not sure about your name, but anyway, you know who you are. You wished Ryx song called Hurts. So we had Ryx here on the channel before. This is not the first time. A great song, this one. So let's go into it. And you can see the setup here. We have the capo on first. That's the absolute best setup for this specific song, to have it simple and easy. And we have 4 chords that comes with that. So let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with E minor first. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D F chord. That is basically a D chord, but with its F sharp note in the bass. And sometimes we go with the full version. This time it fits better for this song to actually go with a shorter version here. So what I do here, I place a short little bar on the 2nd fret. You just have to push down 3 strings, the E, the B, and the G. And then you gotta add 4th fret on D string and 3rd on B. Okay? And then we have the C major 7 chord. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, we have the B minor. And that's another bar chord. You place the index finger now on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. All right, so we are ready for this song, but first we need to learn the string pattern. So if you grab the first chord here, it starts with E minor in verse. You're gonna play 1 string pattern and it goes. So it's 2 downs, and then down up. So down, 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 up, down, 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 down. All right, so that's it. Let's go into it. We're gonna start with the first verse. You're gonna play E minor 4 string rounds, then the D, F 2, and C major 2. That's the first half of it. The second half will be to play E minor 4, the D, F 2, and the only difference here is to stay with the C major for 4 rounds instead of 2. So 4 rounds in the end there. And that is the first verse. I'm gonna play through for you. I'm gonna speak meanwhile I'm playing. So let's go with E minor 4. 3, 4, D, F, 2, C major, 2, then E minor 4. F, 2, C major, 4. All right, so there you have the first verse. All right, I'm sitting outside here enjoying the weather, but sometimes we have some good traffic coming along our way. Anyway, I think you can hear me. Let's move on with the refrain here that starts about 1 minute sharp. I waited, that's where we are in the lyric. And what you're gonna play here is the C major for 2 string rounds, E minor 2, then B minor 2, and C major 2. That's the first half of it. Then it continues with C major 2, E minor 2, B minor 2, and C major 4. Again, that's the only difference here, playing the C major 4 instead of 2 in the second half. I don't think we have to go through that playing it, because it's the same playing. You can just follow along with the amounts of string rounds. And that is the refrain. Then we have the post-refrain parts that comes in at 1 minute and 30 seconds in. Did I hurt you? That's the question. That's the lyric. So what you're going to play here is basically to alternate this D, F chord for 2 string rounds with the C major for 4 string rounds. You do that for 4 rounds in total, okay? So D, F 2, C major 4, 4 rounds. Okay, then we go back into the second round of everything, and that is exactly just repetition, guys. Okay, so you play the second verse exactly the same as the first one, and the same goes with the second refrain. and also the second post refrain parts. Then that follows at 3 minutes and 50 seconds in with an instrumental parts. And what you're going to play here is the C major 7, 2-string rounds, the E minor, 2-string rounds, B minor, 2-string rounds, and back to C major for 2-string rounds. That portion of C, E minor, B minor, and C, 2-string rounds per chord, you're going to play for 3 rounds. But then on the fourth and final round here in this instrumental part, you're going to play C major 2, E minor 2, B minor 2, and C major 2. Okay? So yeah, you just follow that pattern for 4 rounds, and that is the instrumental parts. And then guess what? We hit the final stages of the song. That's the outro parts. And what you're gonna play here is the post-refrain play. Okay, that was to have this D F alternating with the C major for another 4 rounds. And guess what, guys? You finished off the Ryex song called Hertz. Keshaft, Keshaviti, I'm not sure. Thank you for being here on this channel. Appreciate your support here and interaction on Gordon Guitar. Keep on doing that and for all the other guys. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.